Hey everyone, if you're new to Kapwing and want to learn how to edit videos quickly and professionally, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to edit videos in Kapwing from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Kapwing website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one using your email address or Google account. Once you're logged in, click Create New Project and upload the video you want to edit. You can drag and drop your file directly into the editor or select it from your device. After your video is uploaded, it will appear on the timeline. This is where you'll perform most of your editing. To trim a clip, simply drag the beginning or end of the video to remove unwanted sections. If you want to split a video into multiple parts, move the playhead to the desired position and use the split tool. This allows you to cut clips and edit specific sections separately. After the export is complete, download the video to your device or share it directly using the available sharing options. For the best results, keep your edits clean, review captions carefully, and always watch the final version before publishing. And that's how to edit videos in Kapwing in 2026. With its simple interface and powerful editing tools, Kapwing makes video creation easy for beginners and experienced creators alike. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.